Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about Honor Magic 6 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, we will talk about this one body. This one body weight is 225 gram, glass front, glass back, aluminium frame, dust resistant. Display size is 6.8 inch LTPO OLED, 1 week colors, 120 Hz refresh rate. Display resolution is 1280 into 2800 pixel. Aspect ratio 90.7:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256 GB with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB with 16 GB RAM. OS Android 14, Magic OS 8. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.4 aperture, so you can expect a good night photography. Telephoto 180 megapixel, ultra wide lens 50 megapixel. Front camera is 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps. Front camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5600 mAh with 80-watt charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, fingerprint reader and good sound system. So that was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.